Let's do an unboxing video of Code Mono by Wille in the color Light Bernstein Rooted. This wig was provided to me by WigStudio1.com. Check them out down below of how you can get this wig and save 30% off this wig. If you'd like to see more of these type of videos from my channel, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And the reason why I'm doing an unboxing is because this is the largest wig box I've ever seen in my wig journey. Just for reference, here's a Raquel Welch wig box. You could literally do over 2 Raquel Welch boxes in this. This is massive. What I'm reviewing for you today is Code Mono by Wille. This is part of their Hair Power collection. This is in the Light Bernstein Rooted 12/27/26. So let's go ahead and open this box. Lots of packaging here by Wille. I went ahead and muted this section in the recording because my mic was picking up all of this handling of the tissue paper, the boxes. It was really loud in that mic. So for your pleasure, I muted this. So I see here that this wig is on this tube. It's nyloned on, and there's a wig cap. There's also lots of stuffing in here. This tells me that they really wanted this style to lay flat. I do see where some of the fibers are not laying totally flat there. But they wanted the wig to lay flat. So we're going to take this nylon off of here. All right, so she's all disconnected, her tag's still attached. So let's take a look at this Light Bernstein Rooted color. It is a 12, 27, and a 26. So that is a light auburn, a light honey blonde, light reddish brown blend, and dark roots. When you get up closer, it's going to appear lighter. It is still crisscrossed, so we'll uncrisscross that here in a moment. Lace front, left mono part, felt ear tabs, felt extended nape, and it does have the bendable wires here in the back on that nape. Let's go ahead and put this back on. All right, here she is on. She is beautiful. She's lightweight, super lightweight density. No permatease in this wig at all. Very lightweight. Actually, I feel a little bit on these ear tabs. So I take that back just a tiny bit on the ear tab section here, but nothing like that's painful and nothing that would be noticeable. Okay. No permatease in the crown. No permatease in the nape or the back. No permatease on the sides. She just really lays down nice and sleek. Let's go ahead and unpart this wig. So left part on that. I think what they could do to make this better was have it a full mono top, but that's just my personal preference because I do like full mono tops. So you can change the direction of the part. So as long as you don't mind having it on the left side and having this nice and sleek. She's a really cute style. Let's go ahead and do a spin. We'll take a look at this outside and we'll do some final thoughts. Also keep in mind that this is a regular synthetic fiber. So what did you guys think of this review of Code Mono and Light Bernstein Rooted? Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see more reviews like this wig. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. And don't forget to check out Wig Studio 1 down below is a link of how you can get this wig and save 30% off this wig. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.